Okay, there's something that I didn't tell you about extended dread when you're locking it with a 4C hair type, but this is real 4C, and I would like you to give me your attention when I'm doing this. All right, welcome. My name is Maurice, the project master, and I want to welcome all of you and the return subscribers. Thank you so much for loving Hair Zipper. Thank you so much for loving Maurice, the crochet master. All right, we're going to see how to do the extended braids on the 4C hair type. So here, I told you, I always tell you that please, it is very important to listen than just saying, because at times you won't understand what I'm doing if you don't hear what I'm telling you. You know why? So now we have been doing extended dreads, but we have been locking, always doing the same thing, doing the lines the same thing, but here there is something very different. I think you're also saying it on the 4C hair type, is that whenever you're locking the 4C hair type, it becomes difficult in that you cannot just lock once. Here is when you have to use the method that is called a cross locking. Cross locking is when you hook side to side. So if you just hook it like once, that means when you're putting the extension, it will all come out. And even the rolling, you just have to make sure at least you roll it up to the end so that you do it once and twice. That is the cross locking. You see how I'm doing it? So this is when the hair is very weak. You try to roll it a little bit, like you make sure you roll it in that you do it like once and twice. You can't do it once, trust me. If you try to do it once, then means it's going to come out. You understand? There it will come out. So you have to be very careful when it comes to locking the 4C hair type. So you see how I'm trying to do it, and there's something that I have been explaining, is that when you reach in the middle, so like here, for the middle hair, for it is always hard. No, not hard, like at least even if the side hair is soft, but the middle hair has got that volume, it has got some volume. So you try to, for it, you just try to feel it, in that you may not do the cross method, just like here. This is a bit the hair is a bit you see, it's a bit thick, you see. So after doing it, I realized that it's becoming, now it is trying to become hard, you understand. And remember, we say that we have to leave the half inch, you understand, like a quarter inch when we're doing what we are locking. So right now I've realized that here in the middle at least the hair is thick, so I'm just going to use the other first method of one. I don't know if you're getting what I'm saying, but it's very important, because I don't want you to do mistakes and you find yourself you're hurting your client because of these dreads. So here I'm in the middle, and the hair is a bit thick because I can feel it. So that's why I'm locking only once. But on the sides, I've been locking using the cross method, just because the hair was very, because like if you try to look here, this is not thick at all. It is very soft, and I can't say I would lock once. That one is very hard, you understand. So that's why I'm trying to lock it like it's one and then twice, the cross locking. You cannot do it once. So I think you're trying to get what I'm saying here. Yes, try to feel the hair. Try to like whenever you touch the hair, try to feel it in that the hair that you have that you're trying to lock is the hard does it have that volume that you will need to lock once, or because if you lock once and you're trying to put the extension, it will come out, you understand? So that's why you should also try to test that. And you should also know if the hair is very very soft, that means you have to use that cross locking. It is very very important. So that's why I'm like, at times it's always good to listen. Yes, not just watching a video and you just leave it there, but it's always good to listen to the words that I be telling you, so that we get to learn. And please, I would like to thank everyone. And yeah, I got a lot of friends and in Netherlands. They like my work, and thanks for the message. Yes, some people are emailing me telling me to do some other things. But if you still love what I do, and please, those ones who are trying to learn from me, you can also appreciate in my comment section. You go and write something there. Yes, at least I also feel like maybe I'm doing something good for you. And if there's something that you don't understand, because there are those ones who say that they would like to see how do I unplay the extended dread, but unfortunately all these people that have been plating, they haven't unplated their dreads. Some of them are still with them, so we just keep on doing the repair. But trust me, the day one of them will come to unplate, I'll make sure that I show you the video and you prove yourself that indeed extended dreads, they are very very nice and protective. And when you plait your hair will come back. So this was the main thing I have forgotten, like, because we have been doing the extended dreads with these other normal hair type, like we've been doing them with hair which has got a bigger volume, but I haven't done it with these 4C, the weak hairline, you understand? So at least what I know, you have got something from it, because if you had moved with the other method, the one I gave you, then it would have been wrong. It would be hard for you. And this is the same kinky that we keep on doing. In fact, next week on Sunday, I would like to I will be having some live video, so that we can share ideas, and maybe those hair types that you'd want to see, the hair pieces that I use. I think I'll be showing them in my live videos. So this is how we are doing the extended dreads, and I'm doing it with my students, and you can see how whenever I'm there, we do something good, and I trust them on that. Yes, that's why I first lock myself, because it's very very important, and that is the main issue. So after locking, at least with them, they know how to braid, to lock the dreads. They know, they already know. So they're also trying to learn those tricks that I be using when I'm locking down, and how I make these lines. So yes, so just know that you're not alone who is watching and learning. There are still other people here who are trying to watch, and they're trying to learn all the things that I'm doing. So yes, if you have something that you'd want to know, to those ones who haven't been with us ever since we have been doing the dreadlocks, the extended dreads, you can also go and watch those previous videos, because I've been showing a lot of things about them. So the only thing I just do to make, because here it's really, I'm doing it right where it's live. So I just, to make my client go faster, I just get my these colleagues of mine, so I lock. After locking, I just be locking the way you're seeing I'm doing here. It's just I make them ready for them to just to come and finish, you understand? So I just do it this way and leave it there, so then for them they come and do the finishing. So this is what I just do. I just leave them halfway, they come and do the finishing, so that if something would take 6 hours or 7 hours, then it's going to take like 4 hours, you understand? Yes, so that's how it is done. That's how we keep on doing it. You can see how they are. Yeah, they're here. We're trying to do the teamwork here, and you can also learn from me. We can all share ideas. So please just go right in my comment section, put something that if you like my work, and we can keep sharing the ideas. I would like to shout out to all my friends. Thank you so much for the support. Oh my god, United States, United Kingdom, Netherlands, and those Kenyan, Asante Sana, and I have a friend in Australia. So guys, wow, United Emirates, and those ones in oh my god, I can't feel, Germany. Thank you so much. So this is how we're doing this, and please guys, I would like to say that 4C is different in locking. So at least you have learned something from this one, to know that next time if you're doing the extended dreads on the 4C hair type, please try to feel that touch of the hair. Yes. So if we have been using the other one method of locking, so it means there's still other methods that you can use according to the hair type, you understand? So this one I have used the cross locking just because you have been seeing how the hair was that hard, so that's why I had to use that method to bring it out, to come out this look. So you can see how my dread is looking like, and it's really so amazing, not painful at all. So I love you so much, and I stay by the names of Maurice the Project Master. I sign out. See you in my next video. Bye bye.